So this video is going to show you how to go about submitting from your OneDrive or your Google Drive when you're at home and you're on a laptop computer versus being on your iPad at school. So you're going to log into your My7, and then once you get to your bulletin board for the class that you need, you go to assignments just like normal. You'll see your assignment and you click submit. And then you can click on attach files. Now I'm going to show you how to do it from OneDrive first. So when you click on drag file, you'll see that you have options of where to choose files from. And you should see OneDrive. So I'm going to click on my OneDrive, and then I'm just going to pick a random assignment here because it doesn't really matter. But then you select the assignment that you have. Now, hopefully you have your things set up in terms of your classes, so you'll know exactly what you're going to be submitting. So you would pick your science or English or whatever class and go into that folder on your OneDrive. I guess for that, I can just do this. So then I'll attach the file I have here, I'll do upload, and then you hit attach. And then once you're done, you can hit submit assignment. It'll ask you if you're sure. You say, yes, I am. And then it shows it as completed. So it's as simple as that. Once you have done that, then your teacher will be able to see that assignment for you. So that's how you would do it by submitting from OneDrive.